15, 2021, on the horizons of journalism sky, a star pioneering the next frontier of journalism took birth. From that very moment, Argus set out with a definitive mission, not to chase the fleeting noise of breaking news, but to uncover the raw truth behind it, with conviction in their voices and courage in their questions. Our reporters choose a completely different path. Not just headlines, but the reality beneath the layers of news. Not just speed, but absolute substance. And from that day on, Argus fixed its gaze firmly on Odisha. Through the eyes of Argus, people didn't just watch news, they experienced truth, facts and stories that truly matter to the common citizen. (2021 to 2026). At the outset, it is mere 5 years on paper. But for us, these 5 years have been a crucible. Years of testing, years of growing, like a tender child, years of learning to walk, to stumble, to fall, and then rise stronger and run faster. Driven by dreams, fueled by relentless effort, and shaped by struggle, this journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. We have faltered, we have fought back, and we have surged ahead, again and again. Look at the track record. Rokthok demanded absolute accountability from those in power. Prashnakara fired the tough questions nobody else dared to ask. Jana Audit put boots on ground zero, dragging the raw truth into the light. We didn't play it safe. We exposed the dark underbelly, staring down cow mafias, mining cartels, and corrupt nexuses. Amna Samna unraveled the untold, and through our podcast, we opened up a new vista of journalism, bringing alive powerful human stories to life, earning us a permanent place in the hearts and homes of millions. And we didn't stop at the newsroom. Beyond the daily grind, Argus has gone a step further, hosting 5 major conclaves every single year on education, healthcare, agriculture, tourism and women empowerment. We aren't just reporting on Odisha's future, we are actively dedicating ourselves to its growth. 5 years might sound a mere number to all, but for Team Argus, it is a testament to raw grit. It's pure hope, it's fierce belief. It's the grit that defined us, and the heartbeat of our family celebrating its own. Behind this milestone stands a powerhouse. Hundreds of reporters on the ground, technical crews in control room, and an unbroken chain of dedication that never sleeps. The real force behind Argus is the power of we. To every member of our family who built this brick by brick, and to the millions of screens lit up across Odisha, to the viewers who trusted us, backed us, and made us a part of their homes. This milestone belongs to you. We are because of you. Jai Jagannath, Vande Utkala Janani.